Here's a certified 2017 INFINITI QX50. The intimacy of the cabin feels as if it were crafted just for you. Crafted to not only fulfill your potential, but to exceed it. It comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, AM/FM satellite radio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, and automatic transmission. Of the QX50, Kelley Blue Book writes, "Step inside and try not to be impressed by the stunning interior with colors, shapes, materials, and surfaces that make this among the most luxurious in the segment." Driver-centric design puts you in the center of your automotive universe. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.